What's up, guys? It's raining outside, so I decided to do this bike check on my United bike. Alright, so let's start back here. I just have one of those nitrous rims laced to a Poverty cassette hub. It's a pretty good hub, I like it. It's fucking smooth. And then I have the Animal GLH tire 2.10 in the back. Love this tire. Pretty good grip in the parks. And has some really good for street too. I just have like a SRAM chain onto a United sprocket. Everything's pretty much stock, like in this area right here. Regular pedals, but I just ordered the Odyssey PC pedals. Yeah. Have the Animal pivotal seat. It's a pretty chill seat, dude. I love this seat. It's pretty comfortable too. It's not shitty at all. It doesn't tear up. Holds up pretty good. This is the United Recruit frame. I love it. I had a shitty ass other bike. It's fucking Miraco. Sucked. I didn't really like it. But yeah, I have a stock stem, which I just ordered the V3 elementary stem. Yeah. I have a proper TTL bars, 8.25 rise, 28 width, and I have the ODI long neck grips on. I love these grips. This is my first time ever riding them, and my friends always had them, so they're pretty good. I had Animal and the United and the Odyssey Aaron Ross, but I really like those. I have the matching fork, stock, but whatever. Got the Kenda Contact 2.25 tire on the front, and just stock hub, stock rim. So, this is my bike. I hope you like it. So just comment on it. Peace.